How to turn off auto download videos when roaming on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download videos when roaming on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and let's go back first, and here you'll find these 3 points in top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you'll find storage and data. Click on it, scroll down and click when roaming here, and here we'll find videos. Turn it off and click OK, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.